Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update security intelligence on your Windows 11, Windows Security or Windows Defender on your system. So the antivirus, the protection need to update because the virus also keep advanced. The ransomware, the malware, the adware keep advanced. Keep updates, so you also need to update your antivirus to prevent any malicious any threat that can attack your PC and make your PC vulnerable. So in order to update your antivirus, you can click on system tray, and here this is the Windows Security or Windows Defender. You can double click. Now you can click on virus and threat protection, and here there is a virus and threat protection updates. My security intelligence is up to date. Last update is 12 November 2024. And if you not yet update, please you can update it by click on protection updates. Here, security intelligence Microsoft Defender antivirus uses security intelligence to detect threats. We try to automatically download the most recent intelligence, protect your device against the newest threat. You can also manually check for updates. Here to manually check for updates. If your PC connected into the internet, of course your Microsoft Defender antivirus will automatically update. But if not, you don't have internet connection, please connect it maybe like once for a week in order to update your Windows Defender security here. So you can click check for updates in order to update your protection. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So contact button below. See you in the next video.